So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-change ng chat themes sa ating WhatsApp. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, unang-una is i-open lang natin ang ating WhatsApp. And kung makikita nyo guys, pag nag-open ako dito ng isang conversation, so naka-default yung themes ko dito. So para mapalitan yung ating chat themes, so tap nyo lang yung 3 vertical lines na nandito sa upper right corner. And then tap natin yung settings. So dito naman guys, piliin lang natin yung chats. And dito sa display, piliin naman natin yung default chat theme. So ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, ito yung ating current theme. So, kung gusto nyo palitan guys, pili lang kayo dito sa mga nasa baba kung ano yung gusto nyong maging chat themes ninyo. So, ayan. For example guys, is ito yung gagawin nating chat theme. So, tap nyo lang yung check button na kulay green dito sa taas para ma-enable. And then, confirm lang natin, set theme. And ayan guys, ito na yung ating current theme. So, check natin sa conversation. So, ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, napalitan na yung chat themes natin sa WhatsApp. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng chat themes sa ating WhatsApp. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.